them like a little chew toy or something, like a little rawhide setup or something. So they have something to chew on, and they'll chew on that for like 10 or 15 minutes, and then they fall asleep. You know?
Oh yeah, I wanted to ask you, what kind of food are you giving them? I want to get the same kind of food to buy so that I'll have it when they come home, and like what kind of little treats, you know.
Right.
I don't want their stomachs to get messed up.
Right. Well, we'll give you some food when you take them home, so you have some of what they're used to. I pretty much feed them Purina puppy food and with some water. So, you know, I've fed my dogs these like really high-end foods before, you know, and it's like half the time they don't want to eat it, and they get upset tummies or whatever. And I've just found with the Purina, everybody's like nice and firm. They eat their meal every time. So, I mean, you can do what you want to do, but it's just, I just found it worked best.
Yeah, I don't want, if I get if I know what kind of food that you give them,